Thanks so much for staying with us. Now, across the Caribbean this evening, continued stable conditions are across the area. We do have some scattered clouds across the Greater Antilles. The big story, however, is this very distinct cold front that is in the Gulf of Mexico. We can see the leading edge of the front creating areas of showers and thunderstorms over the southern portion of the Gulf of Mexico, also across Florida, and also into the northern portion of the Atlantic. We can see that distinct line of showers and thunderstorms. The system is moving. It's expected to be in the vicinity of the Caribbean area and in the vicinity of the Jamaica area late in the afternoon tomorrow going into early Tuesday, but we should be seeing it weaken as it moves into the Caribbean basin. Stable conditions persist across the open waters of the basin. Forecast for tonight has partly cloudy skies across most of the island. We're expecting the temperatures to drop to about 24 degrees Celsius in Kingston. Also in Montego Bay, we're expecting temperatures of 23 degrees Celsius. The winds on both coasts are expected to be out of the southeast, averaging about 10 knots. Now in the forecast for tomorrow, it's partly cloudy across most of the area. We do have some isolated showers expected across sections of Portland. And then in the afternoon, some showers are forecast for sections of the southwest, but we do have partly cloudy conditions persisting across most of the area. Temperatures 30 degrees Celsius in Kingston, 29 degrees Celsius in Montego Bay. Now our breakdown has partly cloudy conditions for most of the southeast, but we do expect some showers and isolated thunderstorms in the southwest. That's in Santa Cruz, Black River, Savannah, Lamar, and Negril. Expect partly cloudy conditions with showers across sections of Brownstown, also in St. Anne's Bay and Ocho Rios. We expect it to be partly cloudy for most of the afternoon, but morning showers are forecast for Port Maria and Port Antonio. Especially if you're in Christiana, Grange or Duncans, you can expect afternoon showers, while it's mostly cloudy with isolated showers in the afternoon in Richmond and in Moortown. The next few days, windy conditions persist across the area. Isolated showers are likely on Tuesday. We do have some lingering activity also likely on Wednesday, with partly cloudy skies in the afternoon and isolated showers on Thursday. For the marine forecast, northeasterlies are at 10 to 15 knots on the north coast tomorrow. The wave heights are between 1 and 1.5 meters. On the south coast tomorrow, expect easterlies averaging 10 knots with wave heights averaging 1 meter. And then for offshore areas, we're expecting northeasterlies at 10 to 15 knots with wave heights between 1 and 1.5 meters. And that's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening. Well, we thank you so much for watching.